Hey my loves, we are back with another one from the LuvMe hair. Okay, so we are back with a bob. This is a game changer for them, okay guys? What they are doing is this new clip highlight bob situation, all right? And we're here for it also. All right, guys, we are back with LuvMe hair and their goodies. They got our pencil case, our wig cap, and the wig, honey. We are coming through with a bob unit, a 4x4 lace bob unit, okay? And the 2+1 highlight clip-ins. This is really a game changer. What they're trying to do is make styles more versatile with these clip-ins. So these are a blonde 27 ombre clip-in, and this unit is a 4x4 lace with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with an adjustable band and adjustable straps for kinda forever. I really do love the silkiness of this bob. The bob hair is beautiful, but we want to highlight today the 2+1 clip-ins, okay? Because you can do these clip-ins with any unit, any style, any way, okay? And they're sold separately. So we're just going to go on through and get this mother's bob together, okay? Lay her on down so we can show you these clip-ins. Now, this bob hair is going for as low as $99, okay? And that's really a good price, and that's for 10 inches. It only goes up to 16 inches. This hair is stunning, okay? This feels so silky and nice to the touch. It's about 200% density, which is really good. It's nice and thick, and it's a natural black hair color, and the Swiss lace is brown. But this unit is absolutely worth it, and she is a bit big head friendly, but she is stunning. Now, the clip-ins, which in this case are sold separately, are 2+1. So you get 3 clip-ins for as low as $30, guys. And that's for a 10-inch clip-in, okay? And here, I believe we have a 12-inch clip-in, and a 14-inch clip-in, and they are going for $34.90. This unit just is stunning. Like, altogether, this is really a great concept, because sometimes you do want to add a little flair to your units, and you can put this in any unit and gives you a little pop of color. And I think that is such a cool idea. Now, this is sold separately, so if you want to just buy the clip-in separately, you absolutely can. We're going to leave all the deets for this in the description box so you guys can check it out and see what they're working with. Came on through and said, did you want style and grace in the front? Did you want a party on the side, sis? Is that what you wanted to give? Here you go. We got something for you. Throw these clips on in here, sis. Get you something sauced up, okay? Ask them for some extra packets of that daggone Polynesian. We need that. They came through with this, guys. Look at this. The hair is stunning. She took heat very well. I really cannot get enough of this. You know, I think this is such a cool concept. And then when you like, you know what? I just need a regular, degular, schmegular look. Snatch them things right on out. Okay, I got one left up in here. And get back to your black bob. Why? Because we got work, okay? See, this who you is on the weekend. You see what I mean? This who you is when you was swiping right and doing all that. That's when you was being grown. This mother makes the money, okay? She secures the bag, okay? This one jacks the bag up on trips to Nobu and bottles of champagne, okay? But she fun though. Why do I know her? I am her, okay? So if you have not already, check out LuvMe hair and this 2-piece clip-in sensation. This is super cool, you guys. And they are just selling also the clips by themselves. You want a cute little situation you can throw up in there, sis? Grab you this, okay? And if you have not already, press down, subscribe to this channel, okay? We giving out polished in the front, put party on the side, honey. And I hope you guys are ready for that, all right? Now, I'll talk to you beautiful mugs later.